Good evening. Well, we've seen a fair bit of snow over the last few hours across some central and northern parts of the United Kingdom, and indeed Met Office severe weather warning still in force to that effect. But as the snow clears away towards the east, ice will become a real problem across much of the United Kingdom. There's the snow clearing away from, say, Lincolnshire, Norfolk. It'll clear away from the north of England, but it will linger across central and eastern Scotland into the small hours of Monday. But elsewhere, it'll be dry with mist and fog patches forming, and icy roads, a widespread problem across the UK as temperatures get close to or a little bit below freezing. So a chilly old start to the day across Wales, but it's dry in spite of that increasing cloud across the south. A bit more on the way of sunshine across the Northern Ireland to start the day, but it's cold and icy, lying snow on the roads and patches of mist and fog as well. A bright start to the north of Scotland, but it's very cold, well below freezing here. Icy roads a problem, as it will be across central and southern Scotland. There's still a little bit of snow to come across the east of Scotland. For northern England, yes, it's cold, slippery on the roads, but it's dry. Fair bit of cloud around, and fairly cloudy too across the southern counties of England. But you notice the temperatures here a few degrees above freezing, so any showers will be of rain. But there's a freshening breeze along those southern counties. That's ahead of this area of rain, which is pushing its way into Cornwall for the morning. Now that rain is associated with this low pressure system working its way in. This has got a lot of isobars wrapped around it. Some very strong winds for the southern half of the United Kingdom. Not just strong winds, but it's going to be a proper winter storm. Quite a few factors to consider. The strong winds, the heavy rain, the melting snow combining to produce a significant flood risk, and then later on we've got some heavy snow to come, and also, as I said, some pretty strong winds. There's the rain across those southern counties, 25 to 35 millimetres of rain with the snow melt, a flood risk here, but further north it's not such a bad day. It's breezy, but it's bright and cold. Now, as we get on into Monday afternoon, that's rain bumps into some colder air. It'll turn to snow quite readily. The Bristol area, North Devon, but more specifically Wales and the Midlands in the firing line for some further heavy snowfall, disruptive snow, strong winds as well, blizzard conditions. We could see as much as 10 to 20 centimetres of snow in places. That's anywhere between 4 and 8 inches. Will cause some problems, and with those strong winds, a significant wind chill factor. Things will calm down on Tuesday. It'll take some time before it does so for that southeastern corner, but by the end of the day, I think all of us will be bright and breezy and still pretty chilly on Tuesday. More details, as ever, online.